Hey, what's up everyone? Dennis here from primetraders.com. Happy Monday. Now, I love Mondays because, well, for logical reasons. I'm a trader. The market's open. But on the other note, it's our first opportunity to make a profit this week and turn Monday into a money day. Today, in this video, I do want to talk to you guys about some very specific and basic information regarding the way I find key levels and essentially what we teach at the prime traders community, the exact basic approach. Now I've got a couple of trades running already here, pretty big trades. We've got Bitcoin long from last night. I'll explain why we entered this trade. We've got US tech, which I actually already profited on the buy down here. I'll show you later. And recently just re-entered. We got WTI longs. We actually took a profit on a short with a pending order last night. I'll go over my history later on. And I got two gold longs based on this potential contraction that's forming over here, right at this key rejection level. I'm not going to go over the trades much. I just want to show you that I do have trades on a live account. And now I want to show you exactly what I'm doing. So you don't need many tools for this. I'll go over the indicators I'm using right now. VWAP set to the weekly only, EMA set to 13 and to the 4 hour. That's our short-term trend indicator. And then what I'm using essentially to find key levels is rejection zones and VP or fixed volume range. And I'm only using 10 rows or 10 boxes of the volume and the value area of 75. Let's go over WTI, where I've got two longs, recently entered my second one. And I'm going to clean this up for you. So I'll show you. I'm a short-term trader, and I prefer to make profits today, or preferably today, but also this week. Totally cool. So what I'm focusing on is on the actual plays of WTI. So I would call these plays, let me show you. Price came from here to down there and then reversed. That would be classified the play. So if I'm trying to trade this, I will take the fixed range volume of this and check where the key levels would be. So taking this into account in the future, the current play or the present, the current plays I have is this, the peak where price turned bearish and the current low where price turned bullish. What I'm going to do is take the fixed range, take the stop side and drag it to the front. By doing this, I get the specifications of volume. I know that this level right here could be a resistance. And if I zoom in, it's a no-brainer already because you can see price action literally using this level multiple times. So my WTI still has a little bit more room for upside. But because I teach people to trade what they see, what I would do is I would go here and come to the short-term chart and just have a look. Now, I already know that this level here was a support, hence why I bought more. And then when price approaches this resistance level of 60.478, what I would do is I would be looking at the 1 minute chart or the 10-minute chart or basically anything under 10 minutes, and I'll be checking what is actually going on. Do I have solid bullish indications? Like, are these lows moving with force up and are we making new highs? That could indicate that there's decent potential for a breakout. Is there a pattern forming? Maybe a bullish flag or whatever. So I'll use that into account and then make my direct determination as to where I would be going. But on the other side, there's a lot to learn with the fixed range and volume. I would say that this could be my profit target because there's no volume, and then spike. So I would like to take all of these spikes into account, even this over here, these boxes, and you can see this being a pretty good resistance with one fake out over here where price went out, and in the next candle, you got to learn to just chill out and focus on what the market's telling you, because at the end of the day, I think I've told you guys this many times, the market speaks only one language, and it's not French, English, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, whatever else there might be. It's price action, and you got to be looking at the candles. Specifically, all I'm looking for is rejection levels. I'm not even specifically looking much at candles unless I'm looking for an entry, but I'm looking at these rejection levels where price rejected, and then I'm trying to make my decision as to whether I'm going to continue buying, take my profit, or reverse into a short, because my ultimate mission is profit as a trader. So I'm just as ready to buy as I am to sell, and that's an important rule I would encourage everyone to have. While on the short-term side, on WTI specifically, you guys can see that this is a resistance range over here, right? And what's happening is we're moving upwards to that resistance. This could turn into a pretty strong bullish play like this, or right out now. So I would say that this could turn into a pretty decent bullish play, especially with the fact that we're actually, using this level here already, more or less the range of it as a support. So I think price could go up. So the lows are moving towards the upside. The resistance is straight lined, and I think we could move up. Now the good thing is that we have OPEC this week, so it could generate some trends. But as an overall of what I wanted to teach you guys in these 6-7 minutes is just, chill out and focus on the good concepts of what price is telling you. Learn how to find these key levels. And this is a very simple way. So you see, I've taken this level, I mapped this in, then I'm going to drag this down here to the bottom. And then I'm going to look at the POC, like where's the POC, where's the key volume levels. I know that this level here, this range here, is the most important so far. And if I drag it back, you guys are going to see exactly that. This range has been a resistance, and you can see a little bit of a resistance here and support in this range, a lot of rejections and pushes. So this is a pretty important level. I like that volume is actually stuck towards the upside. The 75% of my volume is up, which tells me that there is a good potential for a break towards the upside. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Make sure you follow us and make sure you check out our signature below. I'd love to see you with us. Our trial is very cheap, but you get everything you need to become a prime trader. And a prime trader is a trader who has all of the information and tools and experience, mindset-wise, necessary to perform in certain situations and markets. Thank you. Have a great week.